iWonder starts with game menu. Menu contains buttons such as Start, Option, Instructions, About, and Exit. The Start button displays game modes available to play. Option button shows game functionality such as sounds. Instruction button provides game instructions. About button shows game information and developers information, while Exit button closes the game. If the Start button is chosen, the player may choose which game mode they want to play. The player may choose between Survival, Time Trial, Quick Play, and Story mode. In Survival, no time span is given to complete a stage. The game continue until the player commit 10 wrong item click. In Time Trial, each stage must be cleared within shorter period of time. Quick Play is a normal stage like in Story mode without a story, pure gameplay. But these game modes can only be unlocked once the Story mode is finished. Story mode starts with an introduction. The main character woke up, looked out of the window, and saw his countrymen talking in different languages, leading them to misunderstanding. A voice from nowhere will speak, telling the main character that he or she is chosen to save their country from ruin. Next scene, the player will be asked for gender and player's name. After that, the game starts at stage 1. Each stage have 2 parts: the vocabulary challenge and the puzzle with word guessing challenge. In vocabulary challenge, 10 words will be given, and the player must find an item within the group of objects scattered in a place that corresponds to the given words. The player may look for a clue by clicking the given word. The player must find 50 items within 5 different places to complete these part. After the first part, puzzle with word guessing challenge will be unlocked. The player must fix the puzzle and solve for the name of the picture that will show in the fixed puzzle. Once completed, a book will be given as a stage completion reward. The book helps the player complete a challenge. In example, books can be used on the vocabulary challenge to show the picture of an item, or locate the item depending on player's choice. In word guessing, books can be used to give some letter as a clue in guessing the name of the picture, or instantly solve the name. Once used, it will no longer be used again. The game consists of 10 stages. Each stage, the player will meet people which suffer from a problem. They can be helped by completing the stage where the player met that people. After completing all the stages, the Book of Knowledge, which states the solution to solve the problem their country is facing, will be claimed. The player loses once he or she failed to finish the stage within the time span given, and may retry the same stage. The target user of the game is teenagers, 13 to 21 years old, and early adults, 22 to 25 or more. It has a 3D room game environment. The game will run an Android operating system, which requires an Android version 3.0 and above. Unity will be the game engine used for the development. The game is limited in Android operating system. Other operating systems like Windows, Linux, and iOS are not supported. The game is an offline Android game.
Created using Powtoon.